Today, we live in an AI-driven, innovative era. According to the World Economic Forum, 40% of today's graduates will end up working in jobs that didn't even exist when they began their programs. That's not just a statistic. It's a reminder that we're stepping into a world that is fast changing, uncertain, and full of possibility. But here's the real takeaway. More than half of you will be underestimated. Not because you aren't capable, but because of your story. Because your journey didn't follow the standard path. Because you're a newcomer. Because life didn't hand you a straight line. But I've learned something, and I want you to hear this. Okay? The world does not need people who follow the path. It needs people who create their own path. This college is filled with real people, real lives, and making real change. People who work full-time jobs while studying, who raise families, learn a new language, or come back to education after many years. People who weren't handed a perfect path, but they paved one. You didn't just graduate. You overcame. And that's something no algorithm or no artificial intelligence can replace, but human intelligence. When I started out, I never thought I'd be here either. I began my career as a programmer, and then became a business analyst, project manager, eventually leading IT teams as a director, got into artificial intelligence, now a chief AI officer. There were setbacks, doubts, and plenty of times I questioned if I was on the right path. Like the time I first started writing and speaking around the world about artificial intelligence and project management, I was preparing for a keynote speech in a global summit. And this was not too long ago in Spain, and I found myself thinking, how do I explain to the room full of skeptics that AI isn't going to be the Terminator and take over the world? Then one guy raised his hand dead serious and asked if robots would eventually design and manufacture other robots. I had to pause, not because I didn't know what to say, but because I wasn't sure I could say it without laughing or making the guy feel bad. But I managed, just barely. So it reminded me, when you're pushing into the future, you're going to hear wild ideas, face strange questions, and have moments that test your patience and professionalism. But if you can keep your sense of humor and humanity, you're going to be just fine. Again, today I serve as a Chief AI Officer, where we use artificial intelligence to improve how diseases like cancer are diagnosed and treated. We helped launch recently Canada's first AI-powered robotic prostate biopsy platform, integrating real-time image fusion and machine learning to save lives. Along the way, I wrote a best-selling book, lectured, and developed AI courses taught at fine universities and institutions. None of it was driven by brilliance, okay? Just creativity and execution. It came from being the one who kept going, even through procrastination, panic, anxiety, WhatsApp chats where everybody's pretending they got it all together, but nobody actually opened the file and read the messages. But now there's a feature you can actually read it and see who's actually ghosting you, right? So remember to think big. Okay? Think big. Today, we live in an AI-driven world, like I said, and the world should have people that are creative. You have to be a creative and strategic thinker in today's innovative world. If this diploma represents your second chance, your comeback, your fresh start, I want you to raise your hand. Okay, so that's a good amount. So look around. This isn't just a graduating class, it's a full room of transformation. Now let's also recognize the people who supported your journey. Their instructors, staff, your family and friends who believed in you, before you believed in yourself. Graduates, let's give them a round of applause. And yes, the future will challenge you. It's a must. You will encounter doubt. But you already done something most people never do. You have redefined how you live. You showed us that even when everything feels off course, you can begin again. You can rise stronger. You can lead with purpose. AI can see what's coming, but it can't see the heart of someone who keeps going. That's who you are. That's who the class of 2025 Norquist is here today. You didn't just come this far to stay small. You came to own your own voice, to lead with courage, to turn your story into something bigger than yourself. So now what? Now you walk into rooms they never expected you to enter and lead them. You build, you speak, you represent. You are not just graduating, you are launching. You are not just qualified anymore, you are ready. You are not just part of the future, you are building it. And remember, those jobs that didn't exist when you started your program years ago, some of them are waiting for you to invent them. Mark my words on that one. Congratulations, Norquest College class of 2025. Now go lead, not follow the change. Thank you.